Hello students, I am Professor Jalis and today we are going to study study metal forming processes, second lecture of the metal forming processes. In first lecture we have seen that is syllabus of the metal forming processes. Metal is formed, metal is shaped, metal is not cut, okay, metal is not added. That is metal is formed with the help of dies, with the help of okay, force, pressure, metal is material input material is forced inside the die cavity. Metal is formed. Form is given, shape is given. Okay, it is not cut, not added. That it is called as a metal forming processes. Okay, we are seeing yesterday rolling process. Okay, today we see with the rolling process and extrusion. Okay, these are the various configurations of rolling mills. These are the various types of rolling mill. You can see here. This is a 2 high rolling mill. This is a 3 high rolling mill, 4 high rolling mill. The D is a clutcher mill and tandem rolling mill. These are the various types of the rolling mills depending on the number of rolls and their applications. You can say this is a 2 high rolling mill. 2 high rolling mill, whatever it can be reversible, non-reversible. When this is the input material, raw material is inserted from this direction. This is a cross section initial, this is the final cross section. So overall, in order to reduce the overall cross section thickness of the component, we are going to insert the raw material here, and because of the rollers they are compressed and overall thickness is reduced. Okay, initial velocity, final velocity. Okay, they are moving, this two rollers are moving in opposite direction to each other. So reversible means reversible to high means this particular direction can be reversed. So you have to either inserting from the direction, again inserting from the direction. Okay, that is a reversible. But when we cannot reverse the direction of this particular rollers, it is called irreversible. So reversible is costlier than the irreversible. Okay, this is the 3 high rolling mills. You can see in case of 3 high rolling mill we are adding the material from this direction, and again this particular, and we get from this cross section we get with this, again we can reduce this cross section to again this cross section we reduce to the smaller one. यहाँ से उठाया उसको फिर सीधा इंसर्ट किया, इंसर्टिंग दिस so it saves time. Okay, so instead of carrying it to the other rolling mill, just we can reduce the cross section in this 3 high rolling mill. यहाँ से इधर गया, यहाँ से इधर गया, 3 high rolling mills. This is a 4 high rolling mills. Okay, this is a 4 high rolling mill. These are the two working rows. These are the supporting rows. They are just supporting the working rows. Okay, so biggest advantage, you can raw material is inserted from here, and what happens is an output material. The biggest advantage of this 4 high rolling is that the work roll, this work roll, two work rolls which are rotating opposite to each other. This biggest advantage of 4 high rolling is that the work roll can be large or small in diameter and allow for substantial reduction because the area under the roll is substantially reduced. So area under can be large, in large quantity this area can be reduced. Okay, the 4 high rolling mill. Okay, this is nothing but D is the cluster rolling mill. Cluster rolling mills, a rolling mill in which these are the two working rows and these are the supporting or backup roll. दोनों को क्या बोलेंगे, बैकअप रोल, इसको क्या सपोर्टिंग रोल नहीं तो बैकअप रोल. सो the cluster mill, a rolling mill in which each of the two working rows of a small diameter is supported by two or more backup rows. So they are supported by two or more backup rows. This is called as a cluster, means more a number of rows are there. That is a cluster. It becomes a cluster. So this is a cluster rolling mill. So this cluster mills are designed to reduce the stainless or high carbon, high strength elastic or any material when reducing increases the yield strength. That is the when any material when reducing increases the yield strength. In that case, this is used. This is a tandem rolling mills. You can see here. This material, raw material is continuously reduced in its cross section. ये देखो इसमें जो भी था, this is the rolling. This is one of the rolling stand, rolling stand. This there number of rolling stands are there. So this is a tandem mill is a special type of modern rolling mill where rolling is done in one pass. एक ही पास में रोलिंग हो जा रहा है. So there is no need to go from one, जैसा इसके अंदर यहाँ से जा रहा है, ये इधर से निकल रहा है, इधर से निकल. So rolling is done in a single pass continuously. Tandem is a special type of modern rolling mill where rolling is done in one pass. In a traditional rolling mill, traditional में क्या होता है, रोलिंग इज डन इन सेवरल पास, बहुत सारे पास में, जैसे एक बार डालो फिर से इधर लेके आओ, इधर से निकालो. सो इन ट्रेडिशनल वन रोलिंग इज डन इन नंबर ऑफ पासेस, बट हेयर रोलिंग इज कैरिड आउट इन ए सिंगल पास. ओके, but in tandem mill there are several stands, more than several stands are there, more than two, and reduction take place successively. The number of stand ranges from 2 to 18, 18 तक उसके stand रहते. We see extrusion. What is meant by extrusion? This is the extrusion die. Okay, extrusion मतलब देखो आप, ये red hot material work billet is there. Okay, red hot work billet is there. This is a ram for pushing this. Okay, यहाँ से push कर रहा है और ये die की opening है. यहाँ पर जैसी opening रहेंगी वैसा material बाहर निकलेगा. It will be round shape, it will be square और hexagonal. जैसी opening रहेगा वैसे continuous material निकलेगा. So red hot material will be placed over here, and with the help of ram it is pushed and material is extruded continuously. Whatever the length required, that can be cut. Okay. That is the extrusion. A metal billet is metal billet. So billet is okay there. इसको billet बोलेंगे. Red hot metal billet. Okay. Metal billet is loaded into a container and a ram compresses the material, forcing it to flow through one or more opening in a die at the opposite end of the container. As the ram approaches the die, a small portion of the billet remains that cannot be forced through the die opening. This extra portion called the butt is separated from the product by cutting it just beyond the exit of the die. पूरा भी मटेरियल निकालेगा, छोटा सा बच जाएगा वो. ठीक है. So these are the various shapes of the die opening that can be produced. देखिए सर्कुलर है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है तो ऐसा मटेरियल निकलेगा, ऐसा स्क्वायर रहता है, ऐसा रेक्टेंगुलर स्क्वायर रहता है, ऐसा सी शेप भी रह सकता है, ऐसे भी शेप हो सकता है. So whatever the shape of the die opening is there, that kind of material can be extruded. Okay. We have to produce hollow component. In that case, which kind of mantle is used? Okay, this is a ram attached with the mantle. This is a red hot component of the mineral work place into there.